What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I think this is day 41. Should be 40 or 41. Um, we're on our express, so that's a good thing. But I mean, if you're looking, you can obviously see that we are down 750 on the express. I took two losses, one on Wednesday and one on Thursday. Um, and yeah, I mean, I was gonna make a video on it. But it was kind of busy. I had school. And I had work as well, so didn't really make a video on it. But um, yeah, so my bias on those 2 days was correct. And the only problem that I had was my impatience. So um, I'm gonna try and be a little more patient today. So even if I don't take a trade today, I'm still gonna post this video. Just to keep you guys updated. I've been kind of slacking on that, so I'm gonna try and keep you guys updated. But I'm gonna go ahead and run through my analysis for today. So we have um London session manipulation. I'm hoping for New York reversal while NQ is actually staying below Asia session. So um we have an SMT on the higher time frame, so 15-minute. Um and then we have all these areas of liquidity. We have this huge gap here that we're gonna probably want to fill. This is why I have one take profit here, just in case, this gap does get respected. This inverse reality gap. Um, so yeah. But I want to see an entry. I want to see us sweep some sort of liquidity, for an entry. So if we could sweep this for an entry, that'd be pretty nice. Plus the CISD and the Loki pretty much set, I would say. Now, what's interesting is the past 2 days have quite literally been the exact same PA. Now that might seem like bro, you're just talking out of your butt, but like I'm being so serious. Like, okay, look. So we started 7:30. I was predicting market was going to go down, and obviously I got impatient. I went off of this, literally just one confluence, got stopped out, but it did crash. Now we go back. I mean, like you could just kind of see it right there. The same exact thing happened right here. We went up, boom, crashed. Went up, boom, crashed. So what I'm predicting is we go up, boom, crash. And we literally have the exact same setup as yesterday and the day before. So all I have to wait for is very, very, very simple. Liquidity sweep, 5 minute CISD. If we can get an entry off of a rejection block or an order block, that'd be nice. But ideally or realistically, we'll probably get an entry off of an equilibrium. If we can have three confluences, look, we already have a liquidity sweep. This is nice. If we can have these three, then we can start. We can print money, bro, and we can become green on the account. Um, yeah, I had to take a mental reset, so it's another reason why I didn't really post. But yeah, so I did that in the all yesterday. Did a mental reset. This is looking very, very, very pretty. I would like to take out Asia. Um, but yeah, see, okay, so this is exactly how price was moving. It would literally like go all the way up, dump, people will start entering because they're like, yo, okay, we're having huge volume and stuff, like we're gonna want to push lower, and then the next candle would just go boom, like that. And I'm not saying that's gonna happen again right now, but for the most part, we might be able to expect that. All right, guys, we're back. We're in a trade. Let me recap the trade real quick. So we were waiting for a 5 minute breaker structure, which we ended up tapping right here. Um, and we had rejection block plus liquidity sweep of previous all the way back here. So yeah, I was looking for shorts plus my daily bias, and we had SMT. Um, and yeah, so I got in right here. In hindsight, I probably should have waited to get the retrace here to get a couple more points, but it would have been pretty much the same entry. And we're targeting these lows right before this imbalance here. And after, if we hit these lows, then I'll move my stop loss to break even, and then Asia lows as well is going to be our final TP. And then if we hit both, that'll be 1,000 on a day. So that'd be, or we could. I was thinking we could move our take profit here and just clear 780 right now, but I'm not sure yet because it looks exactly how yesterday was going. And yesterday was just a dump. If you see, it just dumped, took out pretty much everything. And it literally looks like the exact same setup. So I think we could, and we probably will come and take out Asia low. So I'm just gonna hold it. Either way, if we take out our first TP, we'll be clear for the day. So, and that'll be around 350, I think, if we can clear here. So yeah, I'll resume, or I'll skip to the part when either our stop loss or take profit gets hit. Alrighty, guys. We're back. It's one of those days. Yeah, we got stopped out at break even. For $1.48 loss on the day. Yeah, we pretty much edged our first take profit. Kind of sucky, but that's again, like I said, it's the reality of trading. It's not all sunshine and cupcakes. But next week we'll come back. This is a good way to close the week. I know it does say negative 750 on my account, but um when I was on my eval I made 1,000. So, I think it was like 1,000. So we are technically up 250 on the week. So another week in the green. That's good for the books, in my opinion. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.